Hello, South Dakota residents, and those of you who are looking to purchase or refinance a house in South Dakota. I want to talk to you about what's available to you as it relates to FHA loans. So the first thing is that FHA loan guidelines will be the same in South Dakota as they are in every other state. So you do need a 2-year work history, but it is okay if you've changed jobs and you're not at the same job for the past 2 years. It is also okay if you have a bit of a gap in your employment. We might be able to work around that too. It's okay if you've got a recent Chapter 13 bankruptcy. We can make that work for you. Your credit scores can be as low as 500, but with a 10% down payment when your scores are below 580. Otherwise, your down payment is always going to be 3.5%. You will have a mortgage insurance premium, which is PMI, FHA's version of PMI. And the maximum loan amount you can get in South Dakota is going to be tied to the FHA loan limits for the county that you are planning to live in. Now, the FHA loan limits do vary from county to county. There are in some states, there are counties that are a little bit of a higher cost, so you can get a higher loan amount. But in the state of South Dakota, all of the counties have the same loan limit. And we'll provide you with that loan limit on the web page that we're going to link to down below, and also in the first pinned comment. I do not want to mention it here because we're hoping that you're watching this video from year to year, and those limits do change year after year. So we are going to list it on the website. Now, if you'd like to be able to get pre-approved, like to find a lender that can help you in South Dakota, again, just follow the link down below. We'll help you there. You can speak to someone before any credit is pulled, and you can get a quote, or you can get pre-qualified just to see how much you might be able to afford. So again, we'll see you at the website at fhalenders.com. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you next time.